Grand.
I'm very nervous. Ke sharp, but I'm very, very nervous.
Toel. Like I. We've never had a crowd
Of this magnitude.
of this magnitude. Yeah.
Yes.
Ever. We've never ever had this crowd.
Yes.
Welcome to Conversations with.
Kim and Kwaledi.
Yeah. She's very nervous.
I am, but the nerves
She's-
will go.
She's never been
And
nervous.
I'll tell you why I'm nervous.
Yeah.
We are sitting next to the grate.
Yes.
So, but I'll come down, don't worry.
You come down.
Yes.
Oh, all right.
Remo Mafefe.
It drive 6 hours to get here, or less. From where I'm from, it drive 6 hours, but I'm here. This
And
is a
you're
beautiful place.
It is.
You're not frustrated fella when the network shuts down.
Yeah.
Mara, this morning, if network shuts down, there's a man I need to meet. The network will come back.
We'll talk about that, man. Yes.
All right, Tobe. Like I. Now, I didn't formally introduce myself, so I need to introduce myself. Kalbitso ke Kwaledi wa Madiba. Originally, the parents is Mashani, mara I go hold the social move. Ke thabela le kopana le lona.
Ralucha. Nna ke nna Gabu wa ga Tlabela. Ke tswa ke le Moleji. Originally my parents ba tswa ba le Moleji. Ke goletse pleke tse dintsi. Pretoria also being one of it. Mara ke ngwana Moleji. Ne re mo Mafefe. Re dumedisha kgoshi. Re gopela hore mohlomongwe ba ka tswela pele ka introduction. Thobela.
Introduction ke ya mo.
Kgoshi Dimu Thobejane, just go no re mo nageng ya ga Bolena, le gore ke le ka re tlhalosetsa gore le be le fitlhe mo go be go tsamaile jwang leeto la lena personally as Kgoshi from Bonyaneng ke leeto le le re le sepelegile jwang.
Well, leeto la ka le bile a bit complex because motswadi wa ka wa mosadi o tlhokofetse ke na le almost 6, 7, 8 months. So ke bile motho o e le gore ke godisitswe ke le dinageng for security and safety reasons.
Okay.
So motswadi wa ka wa monna ke motswadi o e le gore o hlanketse Africa Borwa ka bophara in terms of ba molloko wa legislature, in terms of molloko wa parliament, once a president ya contralesa, and mapene o sentse nako e ntsi ya le mo nageng a tsamaya. Now ke godisitse ke mosadi wa ngwato le motswadi wa ka. Most of my young time ke spendile ke na le bona. Her name is Tloya Gotrejane. May so rest in peace. So she's somebody who contributed again. Mosadi wa motswadi wa ka o mongwe ke boledi le yena she was there. I guess le other stepmother, other one. That's how much we have a great relationship. So growing up, like anyone, elements of development, you know, the Western culture.
Yeah.
The fact I was not bred like Moma First.
Oh. Okay.
But however, the costumes arena, I was forever present. And for that it was as a matter of safety and security reasons like so growing up it's very difficult. People expect a lot from you.
Yeah.
And yet you are human. So I can't have a perfect childhood.
Yes. Yeah.
But more importantly ke hore ke tsebe hore ke bohlale bo ke bo filego ke mohlodi wa modimo goba mang ke bile smart at an early stage ka thomotheetša batswadi ba bolela le ge ba sa bolele le nna that is how ke thomileng go lena dilo tša setšo sa borena again around 2001 ke ya komeng ke ya go thopa bonna then again ge nako e ntse e tsamaya in 2014 the royal family e dutše to agree gore re swanetše go ya go tala mohumagadi wa setšhaba sa babedi ka magakala ga mafela now ke our tradition gore re nyalelana le ba ka ga nkwana ka mošato wa ka ga nkwana which ke bo malome baka so royal family tšea sephetho seo go ba le tšeo di re šitišang tše dingwe tša tsona ya ba gore mohumagadi o sa nyaka go tšweletša pele dithuto tša gage re mo fe sebaka a gole and so forth. Fast forward moving 2018 now I was inaugurated inaugurated and recognized by the provincial government of Limpopo. And so as moving on with life until re le mo re leng gona today re nyetse mohumagadi wa setšhaba sa bapedi a re belegetše kgoši so ke mo re leng gona.
Sure.
Very interesting story.
Yeah, mara also I guess growing up as a child, even in your difficulty growing as a child, you are a fun person. I'm sorry, and the reason you are a fun person, reason it's like I've never met a king more Pilombaka. I'm gonna meet the first time and I'll put on bike. Mara also realized they just looking at your life socially, so and so forth. You are a fun person. You are a very, very fun person. And I thought to myself, you know what, I'm also just gonna go and have fun and enjoy the conversation. Isn't Kalinya or tell line anything whatsoever. Mara, I also see the level of respect that Hoshi gets, as well as there's a side of social. And in that aspect, but about Tabi, or something. So yeah, I must say
maybe I can try one child work so number one the product they have.
Yes.
Everybody had a share of me. I was moving from one family to another, which we are related to. In terms of in the relationship, but now still on the ground. Come home, support from community. It made me realize there's no way take a scarf return at the same gesture. Now the way I come home into Shangri give us so jolly. Get about everybody, including myself, way to draw the line. We don't. The lines are not blurred. Yeah, so that's why we want to run the kind of relationship with everyone. So now, I've been in many places. That's why I've created a lot of relationships that you see display on social media. So I want to also highlight the issue. My opening here is social media. It was pursued. The youth in our village does not have the courage or banalecho. I remember every year annual general meeting where we account to the entire community. And they give input if they want to change our policies, our bylaws. They do that. That's the only platform they get to change. But now we've realized that access they feel they cannot raise their issues freely. So then guys establish the social social media accounts gore I know it's very simple in this type of time gore o lelele motho ka di-social media.
And kgoši re sa bolela ka yona e ya social media and being a fun person and also being kgoši e na le mo be require a shift of mindset of some sort gore o kgone go stepa into the responsibility of go ba kgoši. Mara pele ke maybe potšišo o e arabiwa a re a introducer and how se pele o le noši re be re kgopela gore Thobela
Go no bolela
a re ke sebara
no ke twin yaka,
twin.
same father different mother. Lena ke mapurinyana.
Thobela
I'm introducer ka re ke a tseba o tlo senya nako a mambola le
Thobela mapurinyane. Alright, a re boelle morago ko tabeng ya kgoši gore go na le mo o bileng le requirement ya go shifta mindset gore as kgoši I can't be thinking like a normal boy and a normal young man and a normal person in general or e tlile le madi generally o do bona e direga gore hai mara ke motho wa mohuto moso.
no remember ke belega ke mohumagadi molotwadi Trijani. After her death I was raised by the two family from my mother's side and my father's side, but most of my time ka di school holidays ne ke ya ka Nkwana. So ka Nkwana ke moshate ke belege ka gare ga moshate. You know the customs tsa moshate ke di kwishisha o tletse letso because ne ke gola ke di bona moving from Nkwana to Mafefe same. So you know in terms of require go change your focus, yeah you know talent you know bore gona le tsela ne di jump and fence, but ke go ke tseba what's expected from me. So yeah, that's how it is.
Sure. So I mean, growing up and o tlhalosa ka mokgweleng gore le godile ka ona and maybe I'm going deep mo yona from just a spiritual perspective and a personal mindset. O tsamaile through journey maybe e boima or o fitlhe mo leng mo teng. How was that? Just from a personal reflection, yeah, how as an individual, were you guided? Were you mentored? Were you looked after? Were you taken through different channels, whether spiritually, personally, or elders or whoever? How was that journey up until to where you are? Because the way we learn, it must have not been easy up until you reach this, especially when you talk about security, safety, and so forth. And sometimes we see these things, Rena, in movies, and we are like, this story it's actually real. And I just want to know how did that go?
Look, let me say in a way, and you know, opening into the conversation, it will be chaos. Chaos because a lot of people are involved. It was very difficult.
I believe a difficult journey comes with a big responsibility. Motlhobongwe a re tseneng tabeng ya history ya Mafefe from ka mokgwa lena le tsebang ka gona gore e be e fitlhe mo e leng gona naga e kgolo e ba e bitsang Mafefe. Mamotlha re bile le opportunity to actually travel all the way to Gamokgoto and re bone gore Mafefe e botse and e bontšha e na le di-resources tse dintšhi, mostly metsi e bontšha e na le metsi a mantši and re a tseba gore metsi ke bophelo. So naga o ya le ka social media, they call it a miraculous land. So history ya yona le this miraculous land that khumana le ka mogare ga yona le ka re tlhalosetsa history ya yona gore e tlile
go ya ka mokgwa re kwa go ka gona history ya Bapedi ba Magakala a Mafefe ke Bapedi ba ba tswelago Botswana re fetile Northwest.
Oh, okay.
So ke Bakgatla.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So re fetile Northwest re tsamaya re tshela dinoka le dithaba until re tswella go Duatse.
Eh.
Re tswella go Duatse and re tlile ka sena se sa go lena le tlileng ka sona ge le tswella ka Mogotho.
Eh.
Ba re mo re go robela ba tša go buša ba ga Mampa.
Eh.
Ba ga Mampa wa ba le huge battle between Thobelane le ba ga Mampa.
Eh.
Ba lela bogoši. Le hlaga ge I think the current Mampa by then a tlhokofetše. It was during the funeral. Now ba ga Thobelane ba tšea malome ba re nobody is kgoši. Ra ba re thopa this land, this beautiful land as you say. And re tswella morago re buša ke magoši a fapanago. From Kgoši Mafefe, Kgoši wa Mathomo, Kgoši Legadimane, na le bo Mampuru, na le bo Kgoputso, na le bo Sekopung, na le bo Mamasegare, including my mother Maphotle, na le Setlamorago Thobelane, na le I guess ke nna.
And
Ke nna ge e le gore badimo ba re keresitše ka bobotse jwa meetse, ka bobotse jwa tlhago, dithaba tše di botse tše go lwa gona, the indigenousness jwa naga ya rena, we enjoy everything about our land.
So what we're talking about before maybe move away from this land and today, it's so rich and in terms of, I mean, 2 or 3 years ago, Cape Town, and I was making with the elders earlier on, co-councilor. Cape Town nearly leading to day zero was Namiti. We are more in maybe also a buffer to Nahazedi or other provinces because of Para Ogasola Getala, Nalnaqua mango, Naquayadi, sugar cane, banana, and all of that. What are you doing in this land to make sure it goes out supplies Mara whilst having the people of Atombo, they are, employed?
I'm glad, I'm very, very happy you raised that question.
Yeah.
It's a rich somewhere, but let me start from giving a background. Of course, the fertile soil contributes, and Kajarena, which is the Olifants and Olifants. Now, the interesting part of the issue, this issue, believe me not, all the mines in the Eastern Limb, you talk from Atok up until the steel port, you also include Malakwana, include Polokwane. All those people, they source water from Afef.
Sure.
oh,
We have a confluence where 2 rivers meet. Now there is where they obstruct the water and process supply. Look, the old mines, the 21 mines in Skokone, they take water from our village.
wow.
But now it's very difficult for our people to get employment in those mines that we feed in them with water. You understand? Now, when you go out, you go to Atok, you go to Mudikwa, you go to all those mines, they'll tell you, but now you are forgetting this mine compliance and my nature affair.
Yeah, the source.
The source is from Afef. And yet, we're sacrificing water. For the mine. We don't benefit anything in terms of any employment, in terms of CSI project. We are just as we are, relying on SASA, the entire village.
Sure. Mara, it's a sad one.
It's a very painful one.
It's a painful one. Mara Molenyi is it a difficult one to win that battle, especially with the current, but with government, legislature, or whoever is in charge to be able to bring that level of, because the reality is the minerals are coming from more. Mara, the people who are here are not benefiting. It's just going out, they're just giving, Mara, they're not receiving anything in return.
Look, we've written to the Water Tribunal, we've written to the Minister, Deputy Minister, we've had visits from the Deputy Minister's side, we've got visits from all spheres of government concerning this issue. Now, the mother body of the issue is an organization called Levalelo Water Association. It's very arrogant.
Levalelwa se plant ela e mo bridging ya Olifants.
Yes.
Okay.
Very arrogant and rude. You call them nobody pitches. The minister herself, the deputy minister Judith Chabalala herself, summoned them. They refused. Despite the fact that we've got a servitude agreement in place, they've made their first payment when they are establishing the water association in 2001, where they've paid us a sum of almost 16,800 rands. So we've written to everybody saying now intervene in this issue. I've also personally went to the youth league president of the ANC, Colin Malachi, to say you are a youth, you're the president of the youth, intervene in this issue. These people are harassing us. I've also went through, I've requested funding documents of the organization from the minister's office, and I was told that the documents were lost in 2019. Well, the minister in 2021 issued a notice of withdrawal for some. They wanted to de-establish the organization. So now when it was Nomvude. When she withdrew her letter, she was saying that she was certain and satisfied that the organization meets the requirements to operate. Now, how is she certain when they are saying the funding documents are misplaced and lost? Remember, we have that in under oath. We've written and requested information via what do you call it, PAIA. Then they responded under oath to say documents are lost, but later 2 years there's a letter that says something different. But we are still fighting this battle, and I always assure the community that we will win, and I'm sure and certain that one day we will own the facility that supplies water, because already we do have a concept in place where we were at the blink of signing with the municipality of Capricorn, but unfortunately because of political reasons they've decided not to go ahead, and they've just opted to continue letting the community suffer from drought, but hence there's a solution in Mafefe.
Yeah, I'm hoping Webster, I can't see anymore because the lights are blaring me. Mara, Kosha, I'm really hoping for platforms like this that we create as young people, really, because our aim is also not to just have this and then we get followers or viewers and so forth. If we can impact 20 people, and it gets just an example, if we can impact young people out there and say, this is where we are sitting, what can we do to make it change? I'm really hoping platforms like this will be able to have that change in terms of what you are talking about. So,
and Khoshi, alongside Mara, this question alongside the challenges the SOEs or yona also the government go na le di challenges tse le gore na le tsona as traditional leaders tse le gore di impact ke government, and also re lebeletse the government in power now, the GNU. Are there any other challenges that actually Mafefe finds itself under those circumstances?
Before we even go to the GNU part.
Yes.
Yeah, truth be told, you know, rena magoši no, let me say Limpopo. We have been reduced to nothing. We are nothing, in fact. We are nothing. We are, politicians, they've taken over because maybe Kerena as Magoshi, we sold our institution to the politicians because there's nothing in Kawajanyo with regards to that. Everything is wrong. Remagoshi ka title. Other than that, we have nothing. We are not authority. That's number one. We're not the horror, you know, the council. But the local authority. We don't understand why Department of Justice is a continual workshop Magoshi. If I feel matter, I hope the petros and the magistrate. Understand? Arna authority or anything. I mean, Arna land. We don't own our land.
Sure. Question, hold on. What's the ministry? Isn't the ministry of traditional affairs and so forth?
Traditional
What is
and
Yeah.
Proctor
Yeah, Cocta.
Cocta.
Doesn't that help?
and traditional affairs.
It's my, I don't have the knowledge of it. That's why I'm asking. What does that not help?
Look, it's supposed to help.
Yeah.
Osanje too.
Mm.
But because it's been led by people, I really say, you understand? I mean, and in between there's an organ of state, an institution, House of Traditional Leaders.
Yes.
Then you break it down, Limpopo House of Traditional Leaders. Now, that is a very useless, you know, institution, extremely so, because it's a political tool. You go look at the constitution that governs that thing. Let's reach a consensus. Premier na le matla go elect leadership ya bogoši.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
go look at
Yeah.
it.
Sure.
So it's very useless. Let's remember traditional affairs, Cocta, Coxta, but while they are politicians, so now they are intimidated by power. That's why I destroy every single time. I've spent my entire, you know, adulthood advocate of Hey, I'll tell you, she's at the blink of being nothing.
Yeah.
Understand? Anything. You look at the issue, the complexity, the form of the you look at issue, the office, the secretary service, you cannot talk today. Missy Makama, respect to Sariana, we change her structure. Baba Bahono, Babereki Baba 2. Or office young American one who are or Sanlere. And then Gamusadi, I asked office administration.
Yeah, ma.
And I was saying earlier on to the council, Gary, the problem is that if we don't take care of this generation and the youth and whatever, tomorrow might wake up and then this kingship it's gone and it's non-existent.
It's gone.
And then there's no trace and someone has taken over who's maybe staying in Johannesburg, Mara. They are running this land almost 400-500 kilometers away.
Even it's gone, that thing, and it's a mile in discussion with Magosh, our elders as Magosh, our leadership as Magosh. So all these things already will allow. It's a mile they've authorized. I remember now at some point we were very furious as Magosh. Magosh has a little koloi, 2 or 3. We were only 3. Our demand the koloi. It was me, it was Khoshika Mutapo, it was Khoshilitir. Raya premier by then let's spend Matabat. Matabat, we camped there. Stand the koloi as Magosh.
So you had to get your own car as a king. You must drive your own car technically before this.
You're going far.
No, but I'm just thinking, but I'm just trying to think, or you had to now go demand. That shouldn't be the case. I mean, if you look at culturally where we are from and the route that we come from.
Magoshi, now we are beggars. We live by begging. So we went there. Beggars stand Matabata. but not literally go mo back.
Yes,
But
yes.
ra mo
But to
tsa ra re
launch
stand
a
re nyaka di
complaint.
koloi makoshi nyaka di koloi.
Yeah.
Then a re botsa re ona le tšhelete go treasury ya di investments.
Mm.
That is why I lokile dikoloi tša magoši go bile lešata only 3.
Yo.
ene kgoši re sa bolela jwale le na le background ya Contralesa le I think you are currently the founding president of Rolesa. How is this coming along? Is it assisting you in actually making sure gore bogoši bo boela back to its original place mo e le gore batho ba kgona go respect the government, also respect it, politicians also respect bogoši?
Can you just also explain what Contralesa means and Rolesa? Because maybe some people don't know.
It's okay. Contralesa ke Congress of Traditional Leaders of South Africa. Le yona organization e la batswadi ba rena monna e ka re matsogo a batho ba wrong. You know, people who are opportunists, people who are ready to, you know, go sell that organization. That is why Ubona is so chaos. Now, after realizing what Contralesa was now being operated from political offices, led by Kgoshi Mokoena, you know, some of us, because Rna moral, you know, we cannot just continue mixing ourselves. You know, someone who behaves like as a kgoshi, so now we then had the courage to say no, we are not going ahead with this dirty organization. That is when we established an organization called Rolesa, Royal Leaders of South Africa. Now I'm the founding president of the youth. So far it's an organization that is advocating for magoši, very, you know, articulate in terms of how we address our issues, and we are indeed trying to bring back the dignity of royal leaders, because all, you know, these things, Chaunyaka, the Koloi, Chaunyaka, accountability, or now why the treat magoši like the hobo, were done for the banner ya Rolesa, because we have started the process under the banner ya Contralesa, but unfortunately politicians got to the president Mokoena. They've influenced the old man. The old man ate things that he was not supposed to eat. So we had to make to establish a counter organization to rescue Bogoshigare. So yeah, that's how we are.
All right.
I wanna jump to, because I was just looking at some of the questions we wanted to ask and what we were getting to, and I think we've spoken perhaps maybe about, you know, your idea around GNU, and I don't know if you wanna get into it, man.
But like I said about the issue of GNU, we haven't experienced anything, but we can tell you from far. It's very difficult. You don't know who to talk to, especially at the national level, because when you are here, you find that Ulela Leba ANC, but in Kara office ya Musho. How ya odimu ke ba DA office ya Musho, but all ba 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 campaign ka moka. So it won't be simple gore o adumela o gore at least ka tle wa mokgota o, but over and above. Yeah, for us GNU, remember Mahua has been to
Yeah, it becomes very difficult.
So I really
All right.
I wanted to ask about youth empowerment, because we speak about what is happening and the people not benefiting and so forth. What is this leadership in your space doing for young people? Do you guys have any programs you run? Do you have any, whether it's CSI programs and so forth? And I understand where there's issues just from maybe even a funding perspective. But what are you doing as Kgoshi in terms of empowering? Because at the end of the day, whether we are starting or not, to suffer or leave them to drugs, to all this substance abuse and everything, or future and so forth. What are you doing to empower the young people of this community?
First and foremost, we've seen the need to establish a foundation that will be a vehicle e tla tsamaisang tlhabologo, e tla tsamaisang le ditaba tse ka moka tsa bašwa kudu the focus ya Kgoši Mafefe Foundation e mo godimo ga thuto, e mo godimo ga temo, e mo godimo ga environment and yeah, ke tseo tse tharo and there's not much we can do. Say you know what we are still trying to address is the issue of our dignity as bana ba Mafefe, because you still have bana ba lore ba sekolong with no shoes or di kgerile di eta di phulegile, so o tshwana le bana ba lore ga bana di sanitary towels. They still bana ba lore they are being abused and not being able to bolela gore no, I'm being abused. So we're still trying to put on our dignity. So we do have programs. For an example, in Valore, it's not a sustainable program. You donate bana ba rena ba dikolo ka uniform le diata tsa sekolo le tse ka moka ba di hlokang. Re ile ra atlega some point ra donate bana ba 521 ka uniform le diata. We've reaching out to the network, Vodacom, MTN. Those people are also not coming on board. I can say for what reason, but MTN, at least for now, to address this issue of artificial intelligence. Because remember, when I really so comfortable with our ways of doing things, but we are moving. Yes. We're evolving. We're moving. Yeah. We're moving. We'll be at a point where Mulamkhekolo would need to operate something from digital or what. So now we need to also try and reinvest our efforts into training Banabarna AI, to study all these things, because our main funders, Kara Kgoši Mafefe Foundation and Kara Mafefe Traditional Council, the community itself. The businessmen, they would have done more, but vale kawabon. Auna wanu pick up on phone, Mama Fefe, Alendra Huevo, Kamokopela, Karakopela, and the dieta, Aran. Yeah. Sorry, that's how much, that's what I'm in terms of, addressing these challenges. Remember, Moga drugs in Yaope, gatekeeping. Okay. We don't have that thing. Okay. And really? Yeah, and I I gatekeeping my police. I gatekeeping like a Kgoši. Let's chava saga. Because once I go drugs, I lead. Wow. Yeah, my police are always. They are always late. It's very peaceful. We address it in a peaceful manner. So there's nobody for us here. You talk your government, our mayors from district level, they are just not pitching. At least the local mayor is now, speaking the same language with us, Dr. Malala, Miriam. So it's very difficult.
Marana moved and impressed your way of thinking, especially around young people, because I think since the start of this, your biggest focus is on these youth, young people. I'm not saying our elders are not being taken care of. Mara, the reality is that these young people, they are the future. Also, someone needs to come and lead the very same visionary. So you're saying?
Yes, and talking to that, and also Letaba Kgoši, you are remodeling the nation, demanding this for batho ba recognize Kgoši. But at the same time, ona le bana ba ba sa golang, right? Le ba influencer jwang gore growing up they must know their origin, their identity, and also not be influenced as much as go bile le influence through the contralesa ka mogono o tlhalosa ka gona. How do you influence these children in the community, the youth in the community? And I like the idea that you are also fighting the drugs, as in, taking charge there. So how do you actually help them remodel themselves and also don't lose their identity?
Look, sporting in Tomatomo, mindset.
So, by the way, Chiefs win. Oh, okay, sorry.
What if Kgoshi ke pirate?
Sorry.
So sport
Yeah.
ke ntho e kgolo mo mafefe re investileng effort le energy mo yona sports. Re na le football club ya rena e wele mo regional league mafefe Royal Kings re na le mafefe Royal Queens both original league re na le bana ba rena ba netball a sentse re kgona go ba incorporate ka gare ga issue but we re bereka le bona hand in hand every time ba na le match we give them money, we give them transport, we give them food, balls, soccer balls, I mean netball balls and everything. Now gape ntho e kgolo kore le nna jwale ka Kgoshi setšhaba sa rena a ke setšhabe like a ke kgole le bona they say ba gobakane ka re na le stadium we build our own stadium seo se kgonang go raloka le football go share.
Wow.
Yeah, so and there it's been well taken care of. Masipala, despite fact that re nyaka funding o committee le gore o tlo take care the Capricorn District Municipality Committee le gore ba tlo take care of the maintenance but a re boya ba thomo chaba a chaba but is trainer sekhoma sa setšhaba mara it's for a good cause because re a tseba gore ka di December ka bo di Good Friday ka di long weekends bana ka moka ba gobakana kua ba embrace what we all know mo mafeleng football then ba bangwe ke gare ba raloka netball. So yeah, we go close, we go to schools, we motivate them, we give them the more just honor ba feel like they are appreciated the love ya motswadi. So you come to me where when you say media plan because that's an investment we want. Or tomorrow it deal something the good part or they are business people they are now 5 and they are committing to contribute 10,000 rand every month. They want at least about 10 or contribute 10,000 every month but their trust educational trust for banaba mafefe ka moka it's not trust as Kgoshi you know child but they are holding you know their benefits in trust. So those people ke bana ba mobu wish ya bona gore ba kgone ba le scheme sa di bazari wish ya bona gore ba tswetse pele ba sponsora tshela le tshela tlhabologo we are at a verge ya gore re leke go convince mmusho gore bring back our heritage in our schools as much as our sports so that we don't forget who we are. It can be correct that everywhere where we go we embrace the Western culture. Those people are themselves embracing their own ancestors. Now we are helping them to embrace their own ancestors in terms of you know how we embrace their way of operating, their way of dressing, their way of eating and everything. We just need to remain as we are as Africans.
And hona mo go eta mo Kgoshi le go botšiša Webster or reach 10 minutes break
No.
Before we 10
Got,
minutes
yeah,
break.
10 minutes. There's load shedding ka 7. So
There's load shedding ka 7.
So what
Quarter
if it's like half
past-
past
quarter
7?
past 6.
If it's like half past, I get it, we're gonna need the light to pack.
Oh.
Okay. Or we can even wrap it up by 6:30.
Yeah, this will get half past 6.
No, by 2:15. We can wrap it up by 2:15.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Now let's do it.
All right.
We'll jump
No
to it.
push.
Yeah, push. Or else we're not gonna finish. Yeah.
And then Kgoshi mo tabeng ya dikoma le sana le dikoma go instilla that thing e ka mkhoplelang ka gona o ronya ka re bana ba ba gole ba na tshara their ancestral roots ne and then gabe ditabeng ya digoro le sana le digoro go nna tshara le go godisha bana ba bashimane na and then mo tabeng ya bana ba banenyana go na le a system that you are using ya gore le bona ba ikhumane le gore ba rutiwa ka mokgo mafefe e diang dilo ka gona le ka mokgo le gore bana ba swantse ba behave ka gona remodeling their future and modeling their future gore ba kgone ba tswele pele especially because shetse le combat taba ya crime le ba bea ka mogare ga sport and etc.
Look, issue ya ke tlo thoma kae
Dikoma.
ke nyaka go fetsa ka dikoma e re ke re
Okay.
issue ya dikgora re sa le indigenous as we were e ka no ba le gore we are not complete to the core because of ntle mongwe ke yona democracy e invadile our culture. Now re sa na le dikgoro, you know, we still visit dikgoro as mošate to hear dilo tša bana ba motse. There is still the courts tšeo di tshwarwang kua dikgorong. Yeah, we are still trying. I mean, it's very difficult because everybody has adopted the Western. Now the issue ya dikoma for rena it's you know go tshwana le ge re re it's a prayer. It's not a business. For rena it's a prayer. That's why the whole South Africa we are still the cheapest. Yeah, so we feel the need ya koma. Every after 2 years, sometimes 3, just to make sure.
Oh, so it's not every year?
No, it's not
Oh,
every year.
okay.
Chance.
Oh, bagole. Okay, yeah.
So yeah, we are still there.
Okay.
Ke lebala e nngwe.
Tabeng ya basadi a ke re
Oh.
dikoma gantši o ya banna a ke sa tsebeng gore le mo dikoma tša basadi go gona.
Basadi ba gona, dikgadi di gona tša mo motseng. Ke bona ba swere go process eo ya bona itšhara basadi, including magoši, mohumagadi. She's part of, you know, bao ba swere go maikarabelo.
Okay.
Very interesting because we are trying to rush because of time.
No, not
Koshi.
actually rush, but but the question then I want to ask, and I mean, you nearly wrapping up, I'm guessing,
Yes.
is around what is your vision for Setšhaba se sa Mafefe, and I'm talking years from now. What legacy do you want to leave? And what's your wish? What's your wish to say, one day this is where I'm going to be standing? And I know we spoke a lot about youth development. We've spoken a lot about keeping Bogoshi at the helm of where it is. We've spoken about minerals and resources, Meitsi, and everything that happens here. But what is your vision, and what do you see? What do you want to see 10, 20 years from now?
I will just tell everyone, Mafefe is a city. It's a city.
Yeah.
That is just waiting for the right moment to be explored. Now, I tell everybody, Barga joke, I always say Mafefe is going to be listed for GSE.
Wow.
Simply because our ambitions are extremely high and we are working very hard. We are working very hard, and there's a lot of prosperity in terms of water supply, bulk water supply in our village. Like I've told you that we were at the brink of, you know, signing off a very lucrative deal with the municipality. Now, our ambition is to say, as a community, we must, you know, apply. In fact, we are at stage 3 of the application, which is the final stage. We are applying for water license to be able to abstract water, process, store, and supply. Because we have realized that there's no water. Capricorn does not have water. Capricorn district does not have water. Skokone district does not have water. Vembe, yeah, something is there. Mopani, something is there. Waterberg, dry. So we believe that if indeed we are fortunate enough to be, you know, to succeed in terms of our proposed project, which is the Mafefe Water Reticulation Project, we would find ourselves able to build our own city as we anticipate that we will have a city. And remember, our mountains are very beautiful. We've got 3 nature reserves, which is the Wolfberg, the Khalamete, the Mafefe 4x4 Trailing Camp. Those are all international market nature reserves. So all those things, they need to be, restructured so that it gives back to us. You can't believe all those 3 nature reserves we have. There's nobody from Mafefe who is being employed to all those 3 nature reserves. You find the Volberg, you go to Lekalametsi, Zaneni, Kellys, Makujo, everywhere except Mafefe, which Mafefe is the landowner of that. That's why like Remusho destroy level. Now there is a back room, spear that is coming or from Musho. The concept or Galina Lebaranke CPA, Communal Property Association. Those people were Jermata Mumahosh, I feel anybody. They manage Nagaya Hosh. So you can't do anything. We are still trying to fight that, and we are happy that and we are not happy that our traditional councils are gazetted. They are now legally. So now let the government return our land into those traditional councils, because when they were arguing, they were saying, Renamagoshi, we cannot have our land because we were not democratically elected. Now our traditional council, we have, a portion where but are being elected from the community. So that is democratic. And there is a certain portion that is coming from Hosh. So it tells you that we are ready, but you don't know what's stopping them from transferring those lands, because we want to develop our own village with those lands that are occupying. There are farms along the mountains. We don't know who placed them on those farms. But now, when you talk, they say you fight.
Hey.
So it's dangerous. It's dangerous out there.
But the dream is there, and
No,
the vision is
it's
there.
not
And
actually.
it's very clear.
The dream is going to be. It's going to be realized.
Yes.
Very soon. In fact, because currently as we speak, I might not go into a lot of detail, but there is a very huge concept that is being initiated by the United Nations, which they required land up to 10,000 hectares from our village. And we have signed everything with them. We are just waiting for them to finish up with the due diligence. And then those people, they are bringing proper employment. They're saying for each hectare, they're employing 2 heads.
Wow.
So it tells you for that 10,000 hectares, it's 20,000 people. It will empower even the neighboring country, the neighboring villages. So now, those people are talking good quality products that will be manufactured from our village. In terms of climate change, they will be planting the thorn. In terms of medication, they will be planting alu. So there will be a plant that will be processing medication through the alu and everything. And we are just straight from Mafefe. So that can push us. And they're bringing in a lot of money to the community. It's not a secret. It's a lot of money that will be coming. And it will help us to build our village and transform it.
And
Before you go anywhere, because probably are the last ones. So we met on a camping thing. We were going to Lesotho and we were camping. Mara, a few weeks later, when we said, and I'm talking this because she mentioned it, when we said and started speaking about what we want to do and create this platform, the first thing she said to me is, don't worry, we are going to go speak to the king of Mafefe.
This is my sister.
Yeah, this was
This is my sister.
2020.
last year,
Yeah,
May,
it took us time.
a whole
It
year.
took us time.
But
So,
you know what
There
I
were some
appreciate?
interventions that were not successful.
yeah,
Yes.
Mara, it's fine because you know what, ne? She wrote it down. That's why I get it. The vision that you put is key because she wrote it down. She sent it to me during the week.
Yesterday.
Yeah, Arman, I remember I told you we were gonna go here, and a picture will show you afterwards. Arman, and then here we are. Maybe that's why she was so nervous.
And that is the power of manifestation, the power of the dream. And I like the fact that Mama Fefe has a very clear vision
Yeah.
and a very clear dream of where they want to take the nation to the next level.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that there is this restoration, that he speaks of, which is a good thing because in all honesty, we have seen the Khoshia Disali wa bona le ha o fitlha gore o bolela le bona nako nngwe ba wa bona because maybe they are discouraged, you know.
No,
But
they're not
we-
discouraged. I was sharing a man money.
Hey.
Politician ba raloka ka dikgoši. You know, politician o kgona tša 10,000 a fa kgoši. Kgoši ya disturb a very serious program o save bogoši.
Yo. Yeah, no,
To a
that-
point mo le gore
that is a
I
problem.
was being a victim ge ke advocate for bogoši. Wa tseba ba dire they plant magoši ka gare ga meeting bokeledi city le.
Yo.
Then they know I'll ask dipotšišo. Ba bona. They present after presenting. But any questions after I've realized I give it but after mola ba nyako re papa ba ra gona matso ke Michelle tso they will always go to ba dinyana ka moraga ka ba ba golo and all people who are supposed to be protecting
Yeah.
bogoši
Yeah.
old people
Oh, yeah.
ba reng o lela address the challenge ba o fetša ora ANC ra e rata re fa mahlatse le mahlogono. How do you say that? What is thinking?
What's about Tlala? Tlala is it can be very psychological. Mara a re fetše. Kgoši go na le molaetša o le gore o nyaka o tlogela setšhaba sa gago in terms of the talks tša rena, basically the development that you want to bring into the land, the combaction of drugs, education that you want to actually instill mo baneng ba ba le mo mafefe, and everything else that we spoke about. Is there a specific message that you want to convey gore batho ba dule ba tseba gore this is what Kgoši is working at and this is where yes.
Look, nna ewe ke duma gore batho ba e tsebe ka mo ntle ka mo. The drugs a ke rate go bolela ka tsona di ka tsule di a tsena in my village. Never.
Yeah.
We are always guarding against that. Once re go ba re ka mathabatha not mo. Ba re ka mathabatha ba re ke tšha drugs re a tsamaya mo mafefe. Because ka mathabatha ke tsela go tla mafefe bana ba rena ba feta mo. Re a bo confront. Bro, really you stop what you are doing. Unfortunately re bola ke maphodisa a rena. They've eaten too much mara re na le bone ebile a re sa ba šomiše a ke rena re addressa dilo mo tafoleng so molaetša o mogolo eno ba one gore re kgopela thego mo especially bana ba rena baswa ba rena re kgopela thego ba re fe chance ba be patience le rena re a builda we are building something very big and the focus is always there. So now normally I can attend the course but I'm not entertaining them, but my focus na kwanza focus ya ka kore re bele village is sustainable and beneficial to all. Tumaka kore re bele sebaka se le gore rena re le mafefe as a community re issue di bursary re fa bana di social grants you know, but all that di need patience di need nako di need gotlelelo le tlhomphana you know as far as ke le gona I've never received any disrespect from anyone in time in my life including your social medias where it's a very dangerous street but because I respect everybody and about respect they know very well respect anywhere I see them as myself so gopela golo no bona re no gopela thego re a bua discussion a little bit of time so
my parting one and I mean we'll close and I know people love asking this question. What do you want to be remembered for? If you're not here tomorrow, God forbid, what do you want to be remembered for? But this is what I want to be remembered.
The greatest king.
In my mind, there is a fighter. I promise you.
No, I am a fighter. I fight. And as much as I fight, I get chaveselo because I get rapelete boroko ka go budulala. And secondly, remember, na as much as ke le kgoši ke kgona go te swina gore a gish so o ka se mo nna wa bya carrot mo pela ka because I can spend a lot of time with no resources.
Yes.
Ongusha ke and ke sa ke no dependa go di mo ga ba community re no no bana ka mo officing ga bona di resources re nya ka o printer di pampiri re ke le di pampiri ongusha so na I can't explain ka mo go ke nya ka go bona ke go pola ka na mara ke tlo ya chiva ntwe ke nya ka it's very big, it's not explainable mara ke go and ke sanya go bushele for as long as I'm running the issues tsa mafefe ke le the leader. There's no way I can chaba motho. I'll fight until I have nothing to fight with because that's who I am. And ke belege go dira this thing and ke belege ke basadi le bagala ke tswetse ke bagala. So I can wait. Dilo tsa bo rena ino ba mtle mo ka re bo butša dikhutsetse dingwe ke no di taboga ka bo issue ya a nna no ntlogela issue ya spirituality and all that. Look, ntwa mathomo ke badimo ba rena, we communicate to them every year. We go by the river where they are reciting. Badimo ba rena re ba bile ka rano, we go there, we talk to them, we request pula. We request, that's us saying it's a new year. We do it every first weekend of September. So
according to the African calendar.
Yes.
Can you come join?
No, you can. It's a very beautiful event. It's a very beautiful event. Irana ke bamshate, di khadi, ba khoma le ba khomana, the committee ja traditional council and the community at large. And again, re sana le bo ka bo February re na le re loma morula just after February. Mo re thomang go bulela morula mara re tla di bolela tšeo ka moka tšatši le lengwe.
I feel like we need to do part 2 of this.
I will do it ka bo September.
Especially because unale taba university that we should have spoken about. Unale taba smart city, and I love the fact that Khoshi mentioned or he wants to develop Mafefe to a city.
No, we are coming
know,
part
so
2.
we should come
with
back.
that. I can't live
Okay,
without
no,
even
go
touching
ahead,
them.
go ahead.
Yes, please go ahead.
Look, the issue ya university ya rena TUT,
Yes.
it was initiated by Khoshikgolo Thulare, the late Bauba. Moya ga go robala, ba bua hlabiwa. So just after I signed the MOU with the then Vice Chancellor at Tlhokofala.
We need to come back.
Khoshi.
Yeah, Webster, you have questions?
No. Le buile go tlala.
Okay.
Khoshi, re a leboga.
We really
Re
appreciate the
leboga
time.
nako e le re fileng yona. Re leboga opportunity ya gore re kgone go tla re boledišane le lena. Jwale ka e re boletše, hey, this has been long coming. A full year planner.
Planning.
Mara go sa, but you know what I liked? There was patience.
Yeah.
There was patience.
Special from you.
This I must say, Webster, just give me 2 minutes. Taba ya go, I can say, would I call it a restoration? But for me, it was to gather information. Ya magoshi a South Africa, gore re kgone go document. But from my side and Kwaledi, it was to say, re nyaka gore history ya rena e kgone go ngwadiwa, because I don't really research gore Khoshi Mafefe ke mang. There is nothing. They would say there is nothing about the. So re nyaka gore re fitlhe mo le gore he re botsisha or re botsisha gore Mafefe is known for what kind of traditions and rituals. Go ebe gona taba gore ka September go na le renewal of the year, ka February una le go tsoša morula, I get to, you know. So from our side it was only that, but today I learned that, you know what, there is more. There is actually more work that needs to be done. Ke magoshi go resuscitate bogoshi le gore bogoshi bo fellong bo boelle plekeng ya yona. Mara Khoshi ra leboga kudu for tabeng ya lekono. Re a tseba re sa tlo bolela gape, re sa tlo boya. Re na le 2 occasions that we must come back for, and we probably have this session again where we unpack these developments that we spoke about, and maybe tla be re catch up le gore feedback ever since now, and then until then go ba go tsamaya dilo.
And Ralobo, how is it for welcoming us? and for allowing other people to, they welcomed us with open arms. And
That was beautiful.
immediately when we came in, I think the word was out to say, these are my guests. We ate, they gave us history, we spent a lot of time. Your delegate, by long, they welcome us. They lost in the bonus.
Re leboha le Webster.
So, yeah.
No, ke ka gae.
Thobela.
To the viewers, we thank you. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment.
And follow us.
Follow us.
We are Conversations with Chimen Kwaledi.
Yeah.
Conversations with a K.
Yeah.
This is a documentary.
Yeah.
It's not a podcast per se.
There we go. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Webster.
Thank you,
Thank
Webster.
you.
Thank you.
Re leboha.
Yeah.